business is
it's a good thing.
Is more preferred, or in fact, the most preferred status, so that the woman can devote her full time serving the Lord. You know?
Even the men.
Well,
nakita niyo ba sa Bible?
Sa Bible, mukhang referring only to the
women?
Yeah.
Actually, may sinasabi nga sa Bible, it is not good for man to be alone. Walang sinabing man and woman. Sabi ko, Lord, ba't ka naman ganyan?
Okay. Tinalikuran mo yung buhay na sa tingin mo, hindi yun ang buhay na gusto sa iyo ng Panginoon.
Yes.
Ngayon ay ang hindi mo mabitawan ay yung pag-awit. Unless the Lord tells you to stop your singing, di ba? Pero ano yung pagkanta mo noong araw at pagkanta mo ngayon, ano yung diferensya na nakikita mo?
Well, I don't sing songs anymore na worldly as much as I can. If I do, then I connect it to Bible verses or, things that I have learned from the Bible. Kasi I am a firm believer of the power of words, and I am called to influence my audience to draw closer to the Lord. So yung aking mga inaawit ay inspirational, yung mga, meron ako mga gospel songs that I include. Siyempre, I sing my hits, pero hindi pwedeng wala akong awitin na hindi pwedeng, I will not even mention in any of my shows the name of Jesus Christ. Because He is the one that has set me free from a lot of things that I was so in shame. Kasi tayo habang nasa kasalanan, nakatapos tayo eh. So, very important that we choose the words that we speak, the things that we hear, the things that we watch. Napaka-importante niyan. Kasi sayang ang buhay, sayang ang panahon when we are wasting our times, the life that God gives us with worldly, worthless things.